I'm walking around, and I decided, you know what? I need to put together a material list, right? So I'm going to record a note here and just watch what happens. I need some following materials for this project. So we're going to put a material list together. Here's what I'm going to need. I'm going to need 33 square of Tamco rustic black shingles. I'm going to need 3 bundles of Tamco rustic black hip and ridge. I need 2 boxes of 1.25 inch roofing nails, the coil nails. I need 24 gutter apron, white. I need 21 white drip edge, the ODE. I like the ODE. I want 4 rolls of synthetic, 2 rolls of ice and water barrier. I need 1 2-inch pipe jack, 1 4-inch pipe jack, and I need 2 bundles of starter. And I also am going to need 2 boxes of 1-inch plastic caps. I think that should do it. Oh, I also need 4 black box vents. All right, 75-second note save. Now, if this did it right, again, I just always never know with the record it how it's going to work out. But if I come here and I go to notes, let's see. There it is. Following. I need the following materials. Blah 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 blah. So right here, let's see if material list. This actually material list comes from the extraction that we do from the claim, right? Which is a work in progress. It's in there, but I need to make that sucker more accurate. So my idea is that we're going to pull everything from the insurance claim, all the line items, and we're going to be able to build material list and also work orders just right from the insurance claim. Let's go to, oops, go back to, I got to sneak and get my, there we go. Okay, so I recorded the note, and you can see everything that I listed there. I pulled it out. So when I say I am going to need the following materials, or I need these materials for this project, if I mention materials, then it should parse everything out and then record it in that note, and then Whisper AI takes it, and then the AI recognizes that I just made a note about material, and so it takes it and parses it and puts it in here. I wanted something that just in a snapshot gave you the material list, right? So let's say you're walking around a roof, right? Because you can count the drip edge, you can count the gutter apron as you're walking around, and look at the box vents and the pipe jacks and things like that. That shoot, man, if you're just recording notes, might as well have it. You can put on there like, I need 4 pieces of plywood because we've got some landscaping here and the roof's pretty steep over here. So put that in there. We need 4 pieces of plywood. You should be able to walk around and just record those notes. And it shows up here in the material list, but you can see, I mean, it's pretty raw, right? But you can easily edit it and move it around and stuff, so which is kind of cool. So that's it. You click X there, now you have a material list. Now this one is a little bit different, right? You can get the extraction here, but we'll go over that in another video. But I wanted to just have a very simple little note. If you said in this note, I need to order the following materials. When you mention materials, the AI perks up, and then it'll start recording that and then parsing it out and putting it in that list. So it's kind of a fun little thing. I guess there's really a lot of simple things in here, but stuff that, man, I would have used when I was selling roofs.